Fresno, California is known for its relatively dry climate, and with the hottest temperature recorded at 115 degrees, it's no surprise that the residents in the city often struggle with the hot summer months. Residents in Fresno often invest in high-quality and high-powered air conditioning systems. The best methods to survive a heat wave or another 115-degree day without air conditioning would be to utilize ceiling fans and fans that are set throughout your house, making sure that you are hydrated and fluids are in your body, and eliminating any extra heat in your house. All types of electronic equipment, the kitchen, and other appliances throughout are generating heat, and they are ruminating throughout your house. As home comfort is very important, we here at Marthedal Solar Air and Heating know that you want to be comfortable. In order to preserve your home comfort, we offer routine services for air conditioning systems, and we install and can repair all types of AC equipment, and we install only the best. About Marthedal Solar Air and Heating, we've been around since 1976. We are regarded as Fresno heating and cooling experts. We love to work to guarantee your comfort. We offer only the highest quality services. You can see our reviews on Google or Yelp or any other review site, and we have pretty close to 5-star rating. So don't wait too long to service or repair your air conditioning system so that you will be ready to battle that 115-degree day if it ever comes around again. Give us a call today for all your home comfort needs.